Hi guys, it's Attax here, back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing the Top Smash Attax trading card game, Premier League Season 2017 Society, Collect, Swap and Play. So today guys, this is the penultimate day, and it's day 23 right in the middle. You can say penultimate day, penultimate advent calendar opening, you don't know. But anyway guys, so let's get straight into it, right in the middle of the Mash Attax. So yeah, let's do this guys. I just want to say thank you so much for all the support. And I hope you guys have a really good Christmas. Christmas Eve tomorrow, of course, guys. I'll be doing that, so that'll be very, very fun. Opening 2 packs, one from day 2, which fell straight for the calendar. Luckily, it landed on day 24, which is a bit weird. Was it 24? I think so. It landed on. So anyway, let's get straight into it without further ado. So yes, let's do this. Please go and check out all my other advent calendar videos, so you don't miss what I've got, guys, because I did get a really nice pull. Which was a 100 club, and I got that very, very late in the advent calendar. But we've got a green pack today, guys. 5 cards per pack for 50p. Promotional packs over 500 cards to collect, of course. And here are the odds. Jingle bells in the background. Let me show you the odds quick. So there are the odds. So there they are. So we only get 100 club, of course, once again, but we probably won't. But I'm happy with 100 club, you know, guys. But yeah, without further ado, let's get straight into this and see what we have. Oh, let's look at the Scotland player. Is this a base pack? Probably is. Is this a base pack? Oh, no, it's not a base pack. I can feel a Man U defender. Oh, and this is a star player as well, so I just saw, but I know who it is anyway. But yeah, we've got a Courtois, first come, first serve, guys. So we've got 2 shinies, very, very nice. So first up, we have Fernando Llorente from Spurs. Ward-Prowse from Southampton. And last but not least, we have Okazaki from Leicester. So some nice base cards there. I think one or two were needs. So that's decent. On to our midfielder. We do have Crystal Palace midfielder. And it's Wilfried Zaha, star player. 76 attack. Very, very nice. Budget trade. And 2 Man United defender. I think it's Baye. Oh no, it's Antonio Valencia, man of the match. 94 defence, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please smash the like button, subscribe down below. Very, very nice people here, and I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.